Exterior stair railings are more than just a safety feature. They are a vital design element that frames your entryway and sets the tone for your home or building's exterior. From modern and sleek designs to rustic and regional styles, the choices today are vast and inspiring. In this video, we'll explore some of the most modern, trending, and innovative exterior stair railing ideas to elevate your outdoor spaces. Let's get started. We begin with the core modern and trending designs shaping exterior stair railings today, a perfect blend of form and function that elevates any outdoor space. Clean, uninterrupted lines, striking geometric patterns, and sleek, minimalistic silhouettes are dominating the scene, redefining what we expect from a stair railing. These designs often feature materials like matte black powder-coated steel, brushed aluminum, or clear and frosted glass panels, which together create an impression of simplicity, sophistication, and strength. Homeowners and designers alike are moving away from bulky, purely utilitarian railings toward options that feel seamless and intentional, almost as though they're an extension of the building itself. For example, thin horizontal cables or slender vertical balusters can create a sense of openness while still providing safety and stability, allowing views to remain unobstructed, perfect for scenic decks, patios, or entryways. Another hallmark of modern railing trends is the integration of subtle yet impactful details that enhance the aesthetic without overpowering it. Thoughtfully placed lighting, whether embedded into the railing posts, running along the underside of the handrail, or even incorporated into the steps, not only improves safety after dark but also creates a warm and welcoming ambience. We also see creative use of mixed materials in modern designs, like pairing steel with wood to soften the industrial edge or combining glass and stone for a luxurious yet grounded look. These railings manage to strike a delicate balance between being visually light yet structurally robust, making them ideal for both residential and commercial properties. Ultimately, the essence of modern and trending railing designs lies in their ability to complement the architecture, enhance the surrounding environment, and reflect the homeowner's personal taste, transforming what was once a purely functional element into an integral part of the exterior's overall character. Loved these stylish and safe exterior stair railing designs? Like and share this video with anyone planning an outdoor upgrade. Next, let's look at location-themed styles. Depending on where you live, your railing can reflect the environment. Coastal homes often feature whitewashed wood or rope details, mountain cabins embrace rugged timber and wrought iron, while urban settings lean toward industrial steel and glass. These designs not only blend beautifully with their surroundings, but also celebrate the local culture and vibe. Do you prefer modern metal, classic wood, or a sleek glass railing? Tell us your favorite in the comments below. Material choices play a massive role in defining exterior stair railings. Today, there's a wide range to pick from: stainless steel for sleek modern looks, wood for warmth and tradition, glass for a contemporary edge, and even cable railings for a nautical or industrial touch. Combining materials, like wood with metal or glass with stone, creates a unique and customized feel that suits both your taste and the environment. For more outdoor design inspiration and home improvement tips, subscribe now and never miss a fresh idea. One of the most exciting trends is exploring different styles and finishes. Matte black, brushed nickel, weathered bronze, or natural wood stains are just the start. Some homeowners opt for distressed finishes for a vintage charm, while others go bold with vibrant powder-coated colors to make a statement. These finishes not only influence the aesthetic appeal but also protect the railings from weathering over time. Increasingly, people are drawn to natural and textured materials that create warmth and character. Think of rough-hewn timber posts paired with smooth metal rails, or stone bases with delicate glass panels. Textures and organic elements bring depth to a space and help the railing become a harmonious part of the landscape rather than a stark contrast. Increasingly, people are drawn to natural and textured materials in their exterior stair railings, a trend that reflects a desire to bring warmth, character, and authenticity into outdoor spaces. These materials not only add visual interest but also create a tactile experience, making the railing feel more inviting and connected to its surroundings. Homeowners are moving beyond smooth, cold surfaces to embrace imperfections and textures that tell a story and echo the beauty of nature. Finally, we arrive at the trend of smart, functional, and minimalistic designs, which represents the cutting edge of exterior stair railing innovation. These railings are not just beautiful architectural details but also highly practical elements that serve multiple purposes without drawing too much attention to themselves. Homeowners today are increasingly looking for ways to maximize the utility of their spaces, and these railings deliver exactly that, combining elegance with ingenious functionality. One of the most popular features in this category is built-in lighting. Modern railings often incorporate LED strips or recessed lights within the posts, under the handrails, or along the edges of the steps, ensuring both safety and ambience after dark. This lighting is typically subtle and energy efficient, providing just enough illumination to guide the way while adding a warm glow to the exterior space. In some cases, the lighting can even be programmed to change colors or brightness levels, creating different moods for different occasions. Another fascinating innovation is the inclusion of storage niches or functional add-ons within the railing system. In compact outdoor areas, railings can be designed to include small planters, hooks for hanging tools or garden accessories, or even hidden compartments for outdoor supplies, all cleverly disguised within a sleek, minimalistic form. Exterior stair railings are no longer just about safety, they've evolved into defining design features that complement your architecture, express your personal taste, and set the tone for your entire home. What was once merely functional has now become an opportunity to make a lasting impression, to welcome guests with style, to frame your outdoor spaces beautifully, and to reflect the character of the house and those who live in it. From the clean lines and sophistication of modern minimalism to the charm and authenticity of regional traditions, from the innovation of smart, functional designs to the rich textures of natural materials, there truly is a world of creativity and possibility to explore. Today's stair railings can be as bold or as understated as you like, a statement piece that catches the eye, or a subtle complement to the larger design of your home. When choosing your railing, take time to consider the story you want your home to tell. Think about how the materials and design interact with their surroundings. Do they blend seamlessly into a natural landscape, or stand out as a contemporary feature? Ask yourself how it makes you feel as you ascend those stairs and how it welcomes your guests as they approach your door. These small but significant details are what turn a simple structure into something memorable, something that transforms a house into a home. So, as you plan your next project, let your stair railing be more than just a requirement. Let it be an expression of your vision, your lifestyle, and your appreciation for thoughtful design. Thank you for joining us on this journey through exterior stair railing ideas. May your next project bring both beauty and safety to your space, and may every step you take feel just a little more special because of it.